Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to pipe the neckline of your senator outfit. Please note that this method is suitable for both male and female. So just in case you're making a senator wear for your ladies or for the gentlemen, you can pipe the neckline this way. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to cut out a bias like strip, and all you need to do is just to get a diagonal line on your fabric. Do it this way, just form a triangle on the corner of the fabric like this. Then you go ahead and insert the length you need. For me, I've gone to measure the length of my neckline, and I added an extra 2 inches so that by the time I'm done I'll just cut the excess away. So after getting this, I just press it down softly with my iron, and I went ahead to measure about 1.5 inch all through. Then I'm going to connect it with my ruler, then I'll go ahead to cut it out. Now that we are done cutting, this is what we have. This is what your bias strip will look like. I'll go ahead and insert my 1 inch hemming gum at the center this way. So once I'm done doing that, I'll get my iron to press it down. I'm going to give it a really good press to secure both fabrics together and to allow the hemming gum to do the job for me. So now that I'm done, this is what my bias strip looks like. Can you see? So this is what we'll be using, but because I don't want my neckline taping to be too wide, I will go ahead and measure about 1/4 inch on the bias strip, then I'll cut it out. What I want to use to pipe my neckline should be around 1.25 inch. I don't want it too big, but of course this is optional, but I've tried the 1.25 inch for quite a number of times and I love the outcome. So I'm just going to trim this excess 1/4 inch away, and I'll go ahead to work with my 1.25 inch. So this is what it's going to look like. Yeah, so this is what we have. This is what it looks like. So now I can head on to my sewing machine. So guys, it's sewing time. So all I need to do is to place my hemming gum on the bias strip like that, and I'll go ahead to turn it with my neckline. So I would really love you to pay attention to the same process, and you see how it's done. So now that we are done piping our neckline, this is what it looks like. This is what we have. So I'll go ahead to the ironing table and give it a good press. Then I'm going to get this well-shaped neckline. So this is how to pipe your neckline. Remember to follow all the procedure, and I'm very sure you get something beautiful. So please remember to like my video, share, comment, and turn on your notification button so you get notified when I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.